So we're going to talk about the problem solving template. You use this problem to solve single and multi-step word problems. You should use this template anytime you see a word problem. You also can use your calculator when you see a word problem. We'll be practicing that with the Desmo shortly. U stands for understand. It's important you understand what the question is asking. You pull out key information from the problem, and then you say, what is the problem asking you to solve? Then we create a plan or draw a picture to help you. You decide how you will solve the problem. What operation do you need to know or do to solve the problem? Then, of course, we have S for solve. You use the facts to solve the problem. Then, of course, you check the problem. You use the inverse operation to check. Then you write a sentence. Does the answer make sense? Why write something if the answer doesn't make sense? We're going to take a pause, and I'm going to get to your practice, guided practice. Ready? Count down. 3, 2, 1. We're back. We're going to try doing this one together. Mark has 135 baseball cards. Zach, his friend, has 78 baseball cards. How many more cards does Mark have than Zach? So what I understand is they're asking me how many more cards does Mark have than Zach? So I write that down. Understand? How many more cards does Mark have than Zach? I abbreviated, just so can you. I can come down here in my check and say, Mark has blank more cards than Zach. So I was told that Miss Hobson does this in quarrels. I don't know if that's the case. So I'm going to draw a picture. We're going to put a big old stack right here. This is going to be Mark. This is going to be Zach. We're comparing those, so therefore, how many more means I'm going to subtract. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to circle 135 and 78. So Mark has 135. I'm going to put 135 minus 78. So what I need to do, of course, is look at that. I can't do it that way. I have to line up my numbers. 8 is in the ones place, so 8 goes below the 5, and 7 goes here. Now, if I have 5, can I subtract 8? Of course not. I have to regroup. When I regroup, this turns into a 2, and the 5 turns into a 10 plus 5, giving me 15. 15 minus 8, I go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my answer is 7. Now, if I have 2, can I give you 7? No, I have to regroup, making that a 12. 12 minus 7, 12, or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 57. So my answer is going to be 57. But I always need to put a label on it. 57 cards. You're going to put 57 more cards. Now, you're going to solve this problem and the problem on the back. Then you'll gladly show Mr. States, and we'll go from there. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck, my little angels. Plus, you know who you are.